Hey folks, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our trainer will cover some content marketing tips, tactics and strategies. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Despite the obvious reasons to use content marketing, some businesses still have a hard time implementing it simply because they don't know what to do. In fact, according to the Content Marketing Institute, 63% of businesses don't have a documented content strategy. On the other hand, some businesses have a hard time making it a reliable strategy. For instance, 65% find it challenging to produce engaging content, while 60% find it hard to consistently create content. If you're currently struggling to make your content strategy work, here are a few tips and tactics that you can use to step up your game. Set goals. Before you create a content marketing strategy, you need to have a clear idea first of how you would approach it. To create a solid strategy, ask yourself these questions. What is my product or service? Who is the target market? What are my goals? Who are the competitors in this industry? Identify your ideal customer. In other words, who is your target market? From the word target, your aim is not a random or general group of people, but a specific audience that can be your next potential buyers. These are the people that are directly relevant to the product or service you're offering. But the question is, how can you identify these specific individuals? The answer? By identifying their persona. Follow these steps to determine what your ideal buyer would be like. Identify their demographic, job, and buying behavior. Determine how they would interact with your content. Identify the things you need to focus on to convince them to buy your product or service. Analyze your existing content. To ensure that you're always producing high-quality, compelling content, you need to take a look at the statistics of your current content marketing strategy. In this way, you'll be able to know what's hot and what's not. Identifying the type of content that produced the most traffic, and content can also serve as inspiration for future material. Analyzing also involves examining the structure of your content. For example, you can analyze the main aspects of your blog such as the design, layout, format, nature of the content, and writing tone. If you're using a website platform, you can use its built-in metrics to analyze which blogs convert the most and which ones should be revised or discarded immediately. Gaining knowledge from these insights helps you to create the necessary changes moving forward. Research competition. Every business has its competitors. However, instead of holding a grudge, you can use it to your advantage on how you can have an edge. Analyze your competitors' blogs and social media and see what types of content they produce and how well each type performs. This helps you learn about new strategies that you can adopt and the aspects you need to focus on to create a unique voice for you to stand out from the competition.